Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my video for 2021 Libra. So let's see what we have for Librans in 2021. Very difficult year 2022 for most of us. Lot of karmic energies. Okay. So let's see what we have. Okay. First, I'm going to speak out the general energies of 2021 for Librans, and then I'm going to do money and book. Okay? Okay. So the first thing that I would like to speak is the year 2021 is going to be a spiritual experience for Librans. It's going to be a lot of spiritual experience. Why? Because there is a lot of goddess energy. I see a lot of female energy around. And I also see a lot of secrets that you've been holding on about yourself. Maybe I can see your family, or maybe something to do with your surrounding. Okay, that has been there, you've been healing from that. Okay, and you will be healing in 2021 from something that you've been holding on to up till now. Like we hold on to a lot of things in our heart of the past. Sorry, lot of things that you've been holding on. So in 2021 there is a lot of healing happening there, and also there is a spiritual journey. I feel there is a moving on journey where you're moving on from one to another. So it could be a realization, and then maybe we get a little spiritual within ourselves, and then we start moving on in life. So we are moving on over there. Okay. The first 3 months for Librans at work is going to be abundance, abundance, and abundance. First 3 months, the sun is shining brightly for you. So there is promotion, there is money increase, there is whatever you're doing, business, job, everything is going to go extremely positive and abundance. Maybe I feel more of energy for Librans is promotion, 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 and promotion. It's more of from where you are, you will be a step up, or maybe 2-3 steps up. Yeah, it's a beautiful energy. Very, 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 very positive. And the next 6 months, okay, after I have reached there, what will happen? Now I have doubts. What are the doubts? Let me just see. Why am I feeling low? I'm feeling low because I'm waiting to see whether what decisions I've taken are right or no. This is what you're going to go through for next 6 months. You're going to have a lot of doubts in your decisions. Also, I feel you will be clubbing with someone in next 6 months in partnership, or maybe you will meet somebody who will be helping you out in your work, that kind of a thing. But it's mostly, I feel that whatever thinking and doubting that is coming from you, Librans, you're thinking too much. First 6 months, I feel there is, after the 3 months, after you've achieved your promotion, or maybe the good thing they're going to achieve, you're going to go into self-doubt, and that is going to get you into a lower energy. So please do not do that, because try to come out of it, try to realize that that's just mind thing that I'm going through, because I feel there is a lot of positive energy at work. Lot of positive energy. You yourself won't be okay. Work is going to be okay. So try to keep yourself mind very, very balanced the next 6 months of your 2021. So let me see after June. Again, June is going to be, from June to December, again is going to be wonderful. You are in your full potential. You just have to come out of this stupid self-doubt thing and feeling low. I feel you are like a magician after this, after June. You're like in your full potential. You know how to handle each thing. And there's a lot of stability. There's a lot of celebration coming. Celebration, a lot of money in hand that you can save, invest in a way. So I feel it's beautiful. Only thing is just take care of your mental health, which you might go into depression, or might because of it's your own doubts, maybe trust issues, maybe doubts, maybe you not wanting to see the positive side of life. Okay, when good things are happening, I start doubting. Why is it happening? So learn to receive, Libran. Okay, just learn to receive, because very beautiful energy is coming in the next 6 months too. A lot of balance, celebrations, you being in your full potential, money saving, everything is good. Everything is fine. Just you be fine. Okay, so let me see what we have in your relationship area, Librans. I'm sure it'll be good. This reading was wonderful. Anyway. Okay. So, Librans, relationship could be love, live-in, boyfriend, friends, colleagues, family, anything. Whatever you have a question in your mind. 2021, relationship, love, whatever, whoever it resonates to. Wow. Lot of chakra balancing we need to do in 21, I feel. Too much of solar flex, every zodiac sign. See, I feel, Librans, whatever fears and insecurities you were going through up till now, in 2021, you are going to overcome all your fears. This is a fear card. And I feel this is also a fear card because you fear to love. Because you've been had a past, bad experience. So if you're fearing to love in 2021, you will come out of your isolation. You will jump out like a hero or heroine. Okay? You will just jump out. And I feel there's a lot of learning happening because you've learned a lot. So now you will be able to teach that kind of experiences to others. Okay? In your relationship, there's a lot of balance coming your way, blossom coming your way in 2021, and love, twin flame energy. So maybe you are going through a twin flame journey and you will come together with your twin flame. You will have love, 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 love in 2021 for you. Only 2 blocks are your root chakra, which is responsible for your intimacy, for your material gain, and your solar plex, insecurity, control. So please work on your control, because if you don't, then we tend to start controlling others, which is not right. So work on your control and your base chakra, which is your intimacy part, which you're scared to be intimate with people because, our fears block people from coming towards. So I think in 2021 you are going to work on all that, and if you consciously also work, you're winning in love and relationship. You're wanting to have a relationship. You're already in a relationship. Everything looks positive. So it's so nice to know somebody coming out of their fears, right? In 2021, Librans, you're coming out of all your past fears about relationship and intimacy. Just work on your solar plex and root chakra. Please go and see my video. Okay. So now let me see what fairies have for you. Okay. 2021. One fairy message. Debt paid off. The old weight has been lifted. Yeah, the old weight and habit of debt is lifted. Means from you and your life. So means maybe you went into a cycle where you created debts for yourself, or maybe you, did not bother much to clear out your debts. 2021, all your karmic debts are lifted, and you're going to move on in a very beautiful way. Okay, beautiful message for beautiful people. Please subscribe, share this channel with everyone. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Go and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be putting a lot of angel relationship message for 2021 for each zodiac sign. So I'm sure you would want to know that. So call me for paid appointments and email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Happy New Year to everybody. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye.